All right, let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT to totally change your social media game. We're talking about saving a ton of time and finally getting noticed. Let's just dive right in.
Okay, let's be real for a second. Does creating content for social media sometimes feel like a whole other job? I mean, you want to grow, you want more followers, but who really has the time to post every single day? It's a grind. But what if I told you there's a much easier way?
So let me introduce you to your new secret weapon, ChatGPT. Now I know the name might sound a little bit techy, but don't worry about that. Just think of it like this. It's your own little robot helper, a personal assistant that's ready to handle all the tricky stuff. You know, the hard parts of making content. It's here to make your life so much easier.
First things first, let's talk about that dreaded feeling, staring at a blank page with absolutely no idea what to post. We've all been there. Well, with ChatGPT, that's pretty much a thing of the past. It's like having your very own idea machine that never, ever shuts off.
And the best part, you just have to keep it simple. You don't need to be some kind of computer whiz. Seriously, just ask it a direct question, like you're talking to a friend. For example, if you've got a cat, you can literally just type, "Give me 10 funny video ideas about my cat." Yep, it's really that easy.
And wow, the range on this thing is incredible. It's not just for one type of post. You can ask for ideas for hilarious videos, genuinely helpful tips for your audience, those awesome before and after pictures, or even fun quizzes to get people chatting in the comments. It can even help you figure out how to answer the questions you get asked over and over again. Okay, so now you're loaded with ideas. Awesome. But you know, an idea is just an idea until you turn it into a great post, right? And that's our next step. This is where ChatGPT really starts to feel like a time-saving superpower. And it's the same deal as before. Just tell it exactly what you need. Let's say you just took a super cute picture of your dog's fresh haircut. Perfect. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a fun caption about it, and bam, in just a few seconds, you've got something pretty much ready to post.
Oh, but wait, it gets even better. Because ChatGPT doesn't just give you plain, boring text. It gets what makes a social media post actually work. It can throw in fun emojis, suggest popular hashtags to help more people see your stuff, and it can even write a question at the end to get your followers talking. It's brilliant.
Now for the final step, and this is the big one. This is where we put it all together. No more scrambling every single day trying to figure out what to post. You can use this tool to plan out your content for weeks, or hey, even a whole month all in one sitting. So here's the game plan, and it's super simple. First, you brainstorm a bunch of ideas with ChatGPT. Second, you organize them into a simple list or a calendar. Third, you go and create all your pictures and videos at once. And finally, number 4, you use a scheduling tool to set up all your posts to go out automatically. Done. And hey, don't let the words content calendar freak you out. It doesn't have to be some complicated, scary thing. It can be incredibly simple. Just think, the day, the idea, and the caption. That's it. This just helps you see your whole week at a glance and stay consistent without the stress. So you might be wondering, is all this really worth it? The answer is a huge yes. Many creators who use a system like this say they save up to 60% of the time they used to spend making content. 60%! Just imagine for a second what you could do with all that extra time.
Okay, but hold on. Before you run off and automate your entire life, there's a really important secret ingredient we need to talk about. It is the one thing that makes this whole system actually work. And that secret, well, it's you.
Here's the thing, and this is super important. A post that's written only by AI? Well, sometimes it can sound a little bit, robotic. But when you take what the AI gives you and just sprinkle in a little bit of your personality, your own unique voice, that's when it becomes something special. That's when it sounds like you. And this isn't just a feeling. We're talking about real numbers here. Posts that mix the speed of AI with that human touch have been shown to get way more engagement. We're talking up to 26% more clicks. That little bit of you makes a massive difference.
So just remember, the goal here is to use ChatGPT as your helper. It's an amazing tool to speed things up and give you great ideas, but it is not meant to be a full replacement for your own creativity. Because at the end of the day, what makes people follow you and love your content is your unique voice. That right there is your real power on social media.
If this explainer was helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe for more simple tips that'll give you back your day. Now, before you go, I've got a question for you. Which social media platform are you focused on growing first? Let me know down in the comments below. And think about it, with all the time AI can save you, how will you use it to create even deeper connections with your audience? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.